Welcome to my another video. Today I want to show you this vacuum cleaner from Temu I bought for my boat, and it's Plus YC777. Let's see if it's any good. So we have manual here. The head looks alright. Some kind of filter. Okay, the machine itself looks decent, but we'll see if it has any suction. Then we have one, two pipes, a battery, 21 volts and 3 amps. And some different heads. This is a brush, and this one is for spot cleaning. And then I think this could be some kind of hanger on the wall. It slides in like this, and then it holds. Right. And what is this? Oh yeah, charger. It only has a charger like this, and you charge the battery directly. Oh yeah, there is a port. You plug it into the socket, and you're charging. So let's put it together. It seems like it has quite a suction. And you can change between two modes. When you press this button once is the slow mode, and twice is the fast mode. It's pretty strong. Let's try to put it together. The mechanism for locking looks quite good. And it feels really strong. Okay. Let's do this. The brush is spinning as well. You can really feel the suction. I'm quite surprised. And also a nice thing is that it has LED lights here, so you can see even in the dark corners where you're going. Pretty neat. Nice. And the hanger, I think if you put it on the wall like this, and then you yeah, pretty nice. Let's find out what is the filter for. So there is a lever here. You can open this bit. Oh my god, there was lots of rubbish on the floor. There is the filter. Alright, so it's good thing to have a spare one to hand. Slides in like this. Let's put it back in. And there you have it. It's pretty decent for the price from Temu. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.